In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert an image to video on Leonardo AI in just a few simple steps. This is a great method if you want to turn a still photo into a moving cinematic video clip using AI. Whether you are creating content for YouTube, social media, ads, or just experimenting with AI tools, this workflow is quick, beginner-friendly, and powerful. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy AI tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Leonardo AI in your browser and go to your workspace. Once you're inside, look for the video menu button in the middle of the screen. This is where you'll start the image to video process. Click on the video option and then choose the model you want to use. Leonardo AI may offer different models depending on what kind of result you want, so pick the one that best fits your project. If you want a more realistic result, choose a model that works well with natural motion. If you want something more stylized or creative, you can choose a model that matches that look. Next, move over to the left panel and choose your preferred settings or styles. This part is important because it helps define the final look of your video. You can adjust visual style, motion preferences, or other available options depending on what Leonardo AI shows in your account. Take a moment here to think about the type of video you want to create. For example, if your image is a portrait, you might want subtle motion. If it's a landscape or product image, you may want more dynamic movement. Choosing the right settings can make a big difference in the final output. Now go to the text prompt bar and write your description. This is where you tell Leonardo AI what kind of motion or transformation you want from the image. Be clear and specific with your prompt. For example, you might describe camera movement, lighting changes, facial motion, or environmental motion if it fits your image. The better your prompt, the better your final video will turn out. Keep in mind that AI video tools respond best when your instructions are simple, direct, and visually descriptive. After that, you can upload an image reference or a start frame. To do that, click the upload button and then select and upload a photo from your local storage. This image will be the foundation for your video, so choose a high-quality picture whenever possible. Make sure the image is clear, well-lit, and relevant to the video you want to generate. If you're using a start frame, this helps guide the animation from the exact image you want to begin with. Once your image is uploaded and your prompt is ready, double-check your settings one more time. Make sure the selected model is correct, your styles are set the way you want, and your image is properly loaded. This final review step can save you time and help prevent wasted generations. If everything looks good, you're ready for the final step. Now type your text prompt if you haven't already and click Generate. Leonardo AI will process your image and create the video based on your prompt, model, and settings. Depending on the complexity of the request, it may take a little time to render. Once it's done, review the result and see how the motion looks. If needed, you can go back, tweak the prompt, adjust the settings, and generate again for a better result. And that's how you convert an image to video on Leonardo AI. It's really that simple once you understand the workflow. Open the workspace, choose the video menu, pick your model, set your style, upload your image, write a strong prompt, and generate. With a little practice, you can create amazing AI videos from still images in minutes. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more AI tutorials and workflow tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.